We are presenting our BTM510 Applied Business Software Group project entitled Streetwear Hub's Database Management System. This project demonstrates the development of a database management system using Microsoft SF to improve the management of a customer information. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce our group members. I am Maisara Uzma binti Ahmad Bakri and these are my group members: Muhammad Faiz Anwar bin Fazil, Iman Amila Reza bin Nabil Khairi, and Harma Hakim Ilyani bin Abdul Hadi. Now, let's move on to the introduction of our project. Streetwear Hub is a retail business specializing in streetwear fashion products and apparel merchandise. As the business continues to grow, managing customer information and order records eventually has become increasingly important to support daily business operations. However, the existing system relies on manual record keeping and separate files, making it more difficult to organize information, retrieve records, and track customers' orders accurately. To overcome these challenges, a Microsoft Access database system was developed to centralize customer and order information into a structured database. This system provides a more organized, systematic, and reliable approach to managing business information while supporting smoother and more efficient business operations. After analyzing the existing system, we identified four main problems. The first problem is data redundancy and inconsistency. Customer information may be duplicated across multiple records, resulting in inconsistent and inaccurate data. The second problem is the lack of integration between customer and order records. Since the information is stored separately, retrieving related data and tracking customer transactions become more difficult. The third problem is the manual reporting process. Preparing reports manually requires more time and increases the possibility of human error. And lastly, the current system lacks proper data security and integrity controls, creating potential risk of data loss and unauthorized modification. To address this issue, we propose the development of a Microsoft Access database system. The proposed system centralizes customer and order information into a single database. It consists of related tables, relationships, queries, forms, and reports that work together to improve data management. By implementing this database system, Streetwear Hub can organize information more effectively, retrieve records more quickly, and support daily business operation in more systematic manner. This slide shows the customer profile maintenance table in Design View. In Microsoft Access, Design View is used to create the table structure by defining the field names, data types, and primary key. The customer profile maintenance table is designed to store customer information in a structured manner. It contains important details such as customer ID, customer name, contact number, email address, and other related information. Customer ID is assigned as the primary key to ensure that each customer has a unique identifier. This helps prevent duplicate records and allow customer information to be managed more systematically within the database.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Harma Hakim Ilyani. I will talk about apparel orders. The apparel orders tracking table is our center hub for all orders related data. It captures everything we need: product information, quantity order, and complete transaction record from order placement to delivery. By sorting this information systematically, we can quickly retrieve any orders, tracking status, and ensure nothing falls through the crack. The result: faster response time and happier customer. It's simple, but it makes all the difference. When we need to find specific record in a database precise matter, that where the AND criterion come in. The AND operator allows us to retrieve records that satisfy multiple conditions at the same time. For example, we can search from orders that are both shipped and paid. Only record meeting both requirements will appear. This is extremely useful when we need to narrow down results instead of sifting through hundreds of related records, and help us filter precisely. Sometimes we don't need to be too strict with our search. That's when we use the QR certification. QR allows us to retrieve records that meet at least one of the conditions we specified. For example, we can search from orders that are either shipped or pending, giving us a broader view for what happened. This flexibility helps us access more information without missing any important information, especially when we are exploring different scenarios. Simply put and narrow down, QR open up both are essential tools for smart data retrieval. This query combine and or criteria. Need more precise data? We use combine and or condition in our search. Use and to narrow the result. Both conditions must match. Or use or to broaden either condition work. Together, they give us advanced filtering to pull exactly what we need. It's fast. In this query, we use text-based searching by text using the AND operator to pinpoint exactly what we need. When we connect multiple text conditions with AND, only record the content. All of those words will show up. It's very simple way to filter out the noise and get precise relative result. It works every time.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Isan bin Fazil, and I will talking about total price calculation queries. We moving on to our total price calculation queries. Let's look at the total price calculation queries in design view. The primary purpose of calculated field queries like this is to perform automatic mathematical operation using our existing data fields. In this case, multiplying the quantity ordered by the unit price. By automating this process directly within the query, we eliminate the need for manual calculations. This greatly reduces human error, speed up our data processing, and also ensure that our financial metrics remain perfectly accurate as new orders come in. Next, let's talk about user interaction through forms. This is our customer profile maintenance form. We design this interface to produce a clean, user-friendly way to enter and update customer details like customer IDs and also customer names. Instead of forcing user to sift through raw, intimidating database table, this structured layout lets anyone manage records seamlessly. It keeps the backend data safe while making day-to-day data entry simple and intuitive. In addition to customer profiles, we have the apparel order form. This specific form is dedicated to capturing and maintaining transaction information such as the order ID, customer ID, and also the specific apparel type. For example, the microfiber jersey shown here. By presenting only the relevant field in a highly organized format, it streamlines the order recording process, making transaction management more efficient and also more straightforward for the end user. To tie our form together, we create a centralized hub which the lift multi-page tab control dashboard. As you can see, this form uses a tab control features to separate different data sets into clean categories, such as like the customer directory that can be seen here and also the order tracker right next to it. This multi-page approach prevent the screen from becoming cluttered and also allow user to jump between sections effortlessly, significantly improving overall system navigation. As for our report, let's look at our outputting our data through reports. This is the customer list report view. While forms are great for data entries, reports are designed for professional presentation and review. It compiles our customer record into a clean, highly readable and structured format. This make it the perfect tool for generating summarized distribution or also auditing purpose, giving us a clear high-level overview of our entire database population.
The order report displays transaction and order details in a structured format. The report always uses to review information and monitor business activities more effectively. The apparel product report combines information from related tables into a single report. This allows users to view customers and order information together with accessing multiple data sources. The relationship diagram illustrates the connection between the customer profile maintenance table and the apparel order tracking table. By linking both tables through customer ID, related information can be accessed and managed more effectively. The Microsoft Access database successfully solved the weaknesses of the current manual system by centralizing customer and order data, creating relationship between tables, providing user-friendly forms, producing accurate reports. As a result, Streetwear Hub can manage customer and order information more effectively and efficiently.